A client story that comes to mind is it was actually a new client. They'd come to us, they'd had a couple of quotes from other scaffold companies, and we quoted. When we did our follow-up, we were a bit dearer than the other quotes. On further conversation with the client, we discovered that they were requiring roof fall protection, and the other companies that had provided quotes hadn't actually allowed for the roof fall protection where we had. When they went back to look at that difference, they obviously went back to the other scaffold companies and said, we need the roof fall protection allowed for, and our price actually did come in cheaper. So I think quite often people get the quotes, but they don't actually really look at what it is they need or what their trades need to do the job successfully, and that in turn can then end up being, variation orders through the process that then comes out being much more expensive than if they'd actually gone for, maybe that mid-range or paid a little bit more attention to the scope of works that had been allowed for in the quote.